Lakehouse or data warehouse? Both store data, both power analytics, but when should you choose one over the other? Today, let's answer this because choosing the right one may make or break your analytics journey in Microsoft Fabric. In previous videos, we explored the Lakehouse, great for storing all types of data, structured and unstructured, in an open, flexible format called Delta. It's powerful for data engineering, data science, and large scale data analytics. But sometimes businesses need to go beyond flexibility. They demand performance and reliability. That's where we need a data warehouse. A data warehouse is a structured relational system optimized for business intelligence and reporting. Think of it as a place where your clean, curated, and structured data lives, which is ready for dashboards, KPIs, and executive reports. It prioritizes consistency, governance, and query performance. Now, when to choose data warehouse? When your data is highly structured, when business users need fast SQL queries for reporting, when you want semantic models for Power BI, when governance and security are critical, and when you need predictable performance at scale. All these scenarios are good for a data warehouse. Overall, if you want flexibility, like to store structured or unstructured or semi structured data, or you want to explore the data without running proper ETL pipelines just to experiment or do ad hoc analysis, or you want to run machine learning experiments, for all these cases, Data Lakehouse is a better choice. On the other hand, if reliability is your primary concern, where you want to run SQL queries and get results fast and predictably without worrying about raw or inconsistent data, then Data Warehouse is a better choice. Now, Data Warehouse is also preferred when you want BI reports to be run on your data. Because Data Warehouse is clean and curated data, you want reports to be run on this data. Or you want strict access control or data governance where you can control or restrict who sees which data, tables, columns, or even rows for that matter. In all these cases, Data Warehouse is a better choice. But here's the best part in Fabric. In Fabric, the data warehouse is fully integrated with one lake, just like a lakehouse. That means you don't have to choose one and lose the other. Both lakehouse and warehouse complement each other. So, in effect, we can land the raw data in the lakehouse, do some data engineering, and then transform the data and then serve the structured data in the data warehouse. This is the best part in Fabric, where there is no duplication of data, all the data stays in the one lake. So in Microsoft Fabric, Lakehouse is the foundation and Warehouse is the delivery engine for business analytics. In the next video, we'll see how to create a data warehouse, load some data, and do some analysis. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.